Hello everybody, my name is BDF and welcome to a new LEGO Speed Champions build. Today 77244's Mercedes-AMG F1 W15 from March 2025. Number 3, a pretty Mercedes. I've loved Mercedes for years because of that Lulu domination. Let's get on to the W15. This will be my 4th Mercedes F1 car after the two Technics from last year and the Speed Champions from the Project 1 double pack. Here is 77244, coming in at 267 pieces across 99 steps. To divide that is an average of 2.69 pieces per section, the W15. I bought this for £23 from Argos, brand new, sealed and unopened, in not the best condition as you can see here. Their box is a bit damaged just there because Argos don't care about their products. This is the last I might ever buy from Argos. Buy from Smiths if you can, gang. Look around the box, you can see the W15 in all its glory, racing around. Looks like it is the Singapore Grand Prix once again. This car was notoriously mid last season, couple of wins in the mid-season, but it wasn't the best car, was it? But this is their best car, the ground effects era so far. On the top, a side view of the W15 along with a hard compound tyre. On the right, LEGO Formula 1. On the left-hand side, legal stuff. On the underneath, legal stuff. And on the back, as usual, we have got a bird's eye view, a helmet view, a real image, and a rear image of the W15. Looks a nice set. Let's open the box, get to the contents, and get to today's build. Here's everything for LEGO Product 77244, Speed Champions Mercedes-AMG PETRONAS W15 F1 car, with bags 1, 2 and 3, bags 4, 5 and 6, a loose frame, a sticker sheet with 28 numbered stickers, and our instruction sheet. 1, 2. Here's everything for bags 1 and 2 of the W15, with just loose parts. Finally, here's our minifigure with a Petronas blue helmet, red visor, and blacked out Mercedes gear. He has blonde hair though, so it's neither George or Lewis. Is this Valtteri Bottas? Three, 4. Here's everything for bags 3 and 4 with more loose parts. 5, 6. Here's everything for our final 2 bags of today's build, bags 5 and 6, with our final round of loose parts. And here's the full and complete build for LEGO product 77244, Speed Champions Mercedes-AMG F1 Petronas W15. That's a mouthful. What a car. I love it. I think I still prefer the Red Bull in terms of build and quality, but this is a lovely set. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm a big fan of these side bits here, the big chunky pieces on the side. I love the Mercedes Silver Arrow stars. Absolutely gorgeous. The grey into black is very nice. This is going to be a very stupid comment, but please understand where I'm coming from. This looks more blocky than the Red Bull and the Ferrari. Do you get what I mean? I know these are building blocks, but like, it just looks more blocky on the side. I think the Red Bull is a bit more streamlined, and so does the Ferrari than this. But regardless, this is an absolutely gorgeous car. I'm a big fan of it. I love the front nose. This is very pretty, and I love the silver at the front. Really beautiful. The black back end is beautiful as well. Again, though, a bit blocky on the sides. Funny, it's a LEGO build, but yeah, no. It took about 50 minutes to build, much like the other Speed Champs F1 cars. We're now 30% of the way through our F1 collection here. They're coming along very nicely. I'm a big fan of how they're coming along. My favourite set is still the Red Bull of these 3. A very pretty set of 3 cars. The Mercedes is a very nice build. I hope you enjoyed it. Across all 6 bags, I've garnered 19 spare pieces. There's a total of 248 on the W15. You can use the other 15 pieces to customize your Mercedes as you so wish. So that's going to be it for today's build. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. As always, leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Would you burn to build the set? Is it for you? Do you like it? Do you hate it? Do you like Mercedes? Do you like their previous dominance? Do you like how they are now? A bit more grounded. They've got a pretty nice car for this show, I can't lie. Hard compound Mercedes is built. Looking forward to our next one. With that, so I've been BDF018. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.